25 years ago, a number of universities in Ontario got together to pool resources and start deploying high-performance computing systems. That's where Sharcnet comes in. With the advancements in AI, we're seeing it impacting every research discipline. Researchers are training new models, using existing models to help advance their research. One of our primary goals was to make a very efficient, sustainable, stable, and reliable file system. With Vast, we were able to check off all those boxes. Sharcnet was formed with a mandate to support Canadian academic research under traditional climate modeling, astrophysics, computational chemistry, bioinformatics, anything that needs more than a laptop, they come and run on our systems. We chose the Vast AI OS for its manageability, and it's also a very reliable and performant file system. The deployment of Vast went very quickly. It was up and running and ready to accept data in a couple of days. Then it took about 2 weeks for us to move the 20 petabytes of data off our Lustre file system over to Vast. This was much faster than any of us were expecting. Once the data was moved over, we made Vast our primary file system, and the users didn't notice any difference. The data was there, it was available, and they just continued to compute as they were before. Over the past few years, we put a number of systems on the top 500 list, and the most recent system is the NIBI supercomputer. We have very efficient water cooling, and tied to that, the heat produced by the NIBI system is used to heat a nearby building. This makes the NIBI system and the Graham Data Center one of the most efficient in Canada. We have significant AI use on the NIBI system. These types of researchers require large data sets for training their models, and the Vast file system is able to accommodate those data sets and provide them at high speed to the GPU nodes for training. What we've found with our user community is that we have more demand for small files, for high IOPS, for the bioinformatics type workloads, and the NIBI file system with Vast just takes it all in and just keeps on running. After Vast had been in production for about 4 months, we were having a team meeting, and I asked who has been looking at Vast and keeping it running. And none of the team had even looked at Vast in over a week or more, realizing that this file system just works. With the Vast file system, Sharcnet has a solution that provides all the features we need now for the NIBI system and for the new systems we're planning to deploy in the coming years.